my own cat Orville got killed by a car, I decided to turn it into a drone as a tribute to his untimely death. I had no idea about remote control helicopters, anything.
My initial thought was, that's kind of crazy, but my second thought was, let's do it.
Ostriches can't fly, so we make them fly. Everything is better when it flies. Big trays of salmon salad are better when they're flying. It will excrete a tough jet of water out of his backside. It's actually human interference that makes me get the animals. We only use roadkill and they're already dead. It's just a result of us being here on this planet and doing what we do. And I collect the leftovers. That's what I do.
In principle, anyone who has a dead animal can come to us. And we make him an offer to make him fly.